talk audio, generally people think, as you say, VO, sound effects, music, but there's a lot of tech involved. We thought, let's really take this seriously on Gears 5 and start from the ground up with accessibility in mind. If you're going to put sound in, make sure it's sound that's important. All of these questions started getting asked, like, what is an important sound? Which sounds should be higher priority than other sounds? Gears of War is a very complicated game. There's a lot of sounds coming at you at once. So one of the things we wanted to do anyway was to make that easier to understand. So we wanted to assign priorities to sounds and then give them a higher or lower priority ranking depending on how important it was to you. Even though it was a lot of hard work, the outcome would be a much more controlled mix. We work with our code team to implement features that will help us with our mixing. And so based on the AI and where you are in the game, we have these values that come in, and then we can assign those sounds from that particular enemy to be higher priority. And they're actually some of our priority mix settings. So you can see actually if I'm in line of sight, that red arrow is on me. Some of these numbers here changing our user cone and priority settings. There's a lot of ducking going on here. So that's actually, my weapon is actually turning down other sounds in the game. People with impaired vision have shown that they can play Gears because of this. We have a few people that are actually almost blind that play Gears, and they use the sound cues to let them know where things are coming from, and it's spatialized and coming from a certain direction. It's a bit of tech, a lot of software, a lot of code time, giving us values that we could use to tune the levels and volumes. The actual result of that is just that the mix is clearer, it's easier to understand, and you can hear where things are coming from.